Look at that. Another beautiful grayling. I got a soft spot for grayling. It's hard to kill such a beautiful fish. There's grayling jumping everywhere. If I had a dry fly, I'd be catching a lot more. There we go. That's another beautiful grayling. Nope. Oh, I just lost my lure. This is too much fun.